Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, join the squad and subscribe. But anyways, to get to this nude look, this is a really cute look you can do on the fly. It didn't take me that long at all, and it just looks so flawless. Okay, so starting off with a clean face, we're going to use the e.l.f. poreless putty primer, and this is my first time using it, and I heard some really good reviews, so we're going to try this out. And we're just going to blend this into our skin, and I'm just going to make sure this kind of sits into my skin. We're going to use the same pomade I always use, and we're just outlining that bottom portion of the brow. And this is really what makes the shape. Whenever you start with I like starting with the bottom and then doing the top of my brow and outlining it, and then start filling it in. My eyebrows look way different compared to when I don't do it this way. If you guys paid attention, you can see that I didn't fill in that brow at the top all the way. So I want like this bottom brow to have like the bottom portion of the brow to have like a distinctive line, and then you start brushing up where it's like you just seen me do, and it gives like that gradient effect to my brow to make it look really nice.
Just want an answer. I can't be the only one. Is that too much?
This gel is just to make the eyebrows look more darker and fill in the spots I feel like needed more color. Now let's conceal our brows. The bottom portion of my brow will be using a different shade than the top one. The bottom will be lighter, like a shade or two lighter than my normal skin tone, and then the top shade will probably be one lighter than my normal skin tone.
Won't be like everybody. All you gotta do is love me for me, babe. Now don't be misled by the things that I've said in the past. I was young, I was looking for a thrill that didn't last long. I was in it for the wrong reason, wrong season, wrong person, yeah. He just wanted one thing, and I just wanted something to smile at and live for and hug on. I'd rather have quality than quantity. Ooh, I just want someone that'll keep it real with me. Is that too much? 'Cause I've been on a search and I'm losing my hope. Is that too much? Is that too much? Trying to find love.
We're using this Juvia's Place concealer as my primer for my lids, and then just blend all that out.
I just want an answer. I can't be the only one. Is that too much? You ain't gotta be perfect. Just give me a purpose to love.
And I'm just kind of packing that color on there. I want this color to show, but I don't want it to be overpowering than the other color I'm going to use. So then I start blending that out, and then start packing again, and then blending that out.
All you gotta do is love me for me, babe. I just want somebody to treat me like somebody.
This will be my second color I'll be using, and this whole look will be from this Juvia's Place palette called the Warrior 2, I think. Yeah, this will be a look just for them, and it's gonna be looking so good. I can't wait to show you guys. But right here, I'm just using an extra like fluffy brush and just blending out the edges of this and anything else on my eyelid. I don't want like none of these colors to be harsh or anything. Y'all know what time it is. It's time for that cut crease. So I blended those two shades together to get this shade. I didn't want it to be too light, but I didn't want it to be, you know, too dark. So I think the shade was perfect for me at the moment. And I'm just taking my time and making the shape out desired. So this section of the video, I won't be talking as much because I'm literally just doing the same thing I did on the other eye. So you guys just listen to some Ting, because this is my girl right here.
Someone who loves you for you. Someone who knows all of your doesn't impose, try to control them. Let you be free, doesn't deceive. They give you a chance to believe in something. Is that too much? I've been on a search and I'm losing my hope. Is that too much? Is that too much? Trying to find love in a world so.
So I'm taking the shade. It's kind of like it reminds me of like sand. So I'm just kind of packing that on like towards the middle of my cut crease, and just packing that on there.
Is that too much? We gotta be perfect.
This shade right here is really similar to a white, but it has like a brownish tint to it just a little bit. So I'm just kind of going back and forth with both of those colors to give it like a gradient effect towards my eyelid.
All you gotta do is love me for me, babe. I just want somebody.
Remember those two shades we started with first? So this is like that light brown one. The first color I used, and we're going like the closest to that sand color, and then we're hitting off with that darker brown and hitting towards the edge of that lighter color we just used, and like making this area really dark. Okay, y'all, so I just started doing wing liners and stuff, so do not come for my wing right now, okay? I'm still practicing on these.
Cause he just wanted one thing and I just wanted something to smile at and live for and hug on. I'd rather have quality than quantity. Ooh, I just want someone that'll keep it real with me. Is that too much? 'Cause I've been on a search and I'm losing my hope. Is that too much? Is that too much? Trying to find love in a world so cold. Oh, is that too much? I just want an answer.
Now we're just gonna glue on our lashes, and I learned that trick from Beats by Deb when placing like your lash glue onto your lash line, and then placing some lash glue also onto your lashes, and they literally just pop right on. Like, this is such a lifesaver.
Like everybody, oh no. All you gotta do is love me for me, babe. I just want somebody, to treat me like somebody, won't be like everybody, All you gotta do is love me for me, babe. Ooh, maybe I'm asking for too much. Yeah.
Now add some lighter concealer to your face, to like the places you would want your face highlighted at, and then add a darker concealer to the place you feel like would need more color.
Somebody work all your time. Somebody who tell you the truth. Someone who loves you for you. Someone who knows all of your flaws, yeah. Doesn't impose, try to control them. Let you be free, doesn't deceive. They give you a chance to believe in something. Is that too much? I've been on a search and I'm losing my hope. Is that too much? Is that too much? Trying to find love in a world so cold. Oh, is that too much? I just want an answer. I can't be the only one. treat me like somebody, body. Won't be like everybody, body. All you gotta do is love me for me, babe. I just want somebody, body, to treat me like somebody.
Alright guys, so this is pretty much the rest of my video. Tell me how I did. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye loves.